Sometimes you just need to take a break from working around the homestead and just enjoy the little things in life. For me, that's a nice hot cup of coffee and watching the wild birds in my backyard. That's why this solar-powered camera bird feeder from FVVL is perfect. It was sent to me at no cost to get my honest opinion and see what it could do. Normally costs $160, but there's a 10% discount code I'll share with you later on, plus an extra $30 off for the next week, bringing the cost down to just $114. FVVL also offers it on Amazon Prime Day for just $94, so keep an eye out for that. The feeder comes with everything you need to see and record your backyard birds. There's the primary feeder housing, where you fill it with feed. The roof with the built-in double solar panel easily unlatches and folds down so you can fill the housing with the feed. Panels offer a 5200 milliamp hour super large capacity, so there's no need to constantly replace batteries or have a power source nearby. There's also an included USB fast charging cable to charge up the feeder, but it worked right out of the box for me. The 1080p HD night vision color camera with 145-degree field of view is already mounted in the unit. The camera does not support 5G wireless, but the 2.4G Wi-Fi has a recommended 98-foot distance from your base. As I mentioned, the camera does have a color night vision, but you're not going to have any birds visiting during the night. Still, a nice feature to have. It operates based on motion, so the bird feeder could also be a security camera as it sends alerts to your phone that motion was detected. You have two ways to store your video captures. There is an included 64 gigabyte microSD card, or you can save the footage to the cloud. FVVL gives you 30-day free storage to new users. A third way is to just live record the video and save it right to your phone. The tray readily screws into the bottom of the housing with the 3 screws. There's a sturdy metal mounting bracket and a decal with the mounting holes that you can stick on whatever surface you're going to mount the feeder to for perfect reference. An antenna to transmit the camera footage screws into the back of the feeder. What's really nice is they even give you a quality stubby Phillips head screwdriver to install everything. The solar-powered camera bird feeder was of much better quality than I was expecting. It's solidly built and thoughtfully designed. FVVL is apparently so sure of its quality, it provides a 365-day warranty and available customer service. I was highly impressed with the bird feeder and was surprised to even receive notifications of bird activity on my phone when I was miles away driving my truck. Right now, blue jays seem to be dominating the feeder, but I did have starlings visit. But sparrows just found it, and a cardinal was making a visit as well. I think this bird feeder is definitely worth your consideration. As I mentioned at the start, FVVL is offering an additional 10% off for viewers of Homestead DIY beyond the $30 discount they're already providing this week. You can use the promo code 10UJUZA2 at checkout. I'll put that on the screen and I'll have it listed in the video description. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Did you like this bird feeder? Or do you have another brand that you use yourself? Also, share your thoughts on what I could do to improve this video in the future. Okay, thanks for watching.